Alright, so next up I want to show you the PDF template feature, which lets you generate download links which will be inserted into this PDF template. So we go to create PDF templates, and obviously this is very important if you sell digital art. Now we can just drag and drop a PDF template. So this one is, for example, from Canva, and now you see you have this text box with a example Google Drive link. And now we can sort of position it where we want. I already wrote in my Canva template, click the link below to download your images. Now I will just position the link below that, can make it a little bit larger. Very important that you don't go beyond one line. The link needs to fit into one line for it to work properly. For example, if I make it larger and I try to save it, it will tell me that I can't save it. We will make it smaller, and now we can save it. Now we see manage template. Now we can go to create listing and we can drag and drop our PDF template here. And you see the name is displayed here, so it registered it, but we can toggle the PDF to preview it. If we insert an image bundle link here and click outside, it positions it below it. I just put in this address, but obviously this is the place where your Google Drive link goes into. That's it already. Thank you very much and happy creating. Bye bye.